Rearing birds under this rainy season, you may be confronted with so many challenges. One challenge that you must watch against is CRD, the tendency for your bird to contact cold. Another challenge is the tendency for your bird to come up with coccidiosis. Then another challenge is for your bird to have tendency for fowl typhoid. But the advantage that broiler farmers do have is, before fowl typhoid becomes severe, their bird must have attained table size, except for farmers that wish to extend their rearing beyond 10 weeks. These birds that you are collecting, the first line of action that you need to give to them is to give them drugs that will help to stabilize them. There are people that have adopted so many practices which may not favor them. There are people that will go and start bombarding this bird with antibiotics from day one. It may not be a suitable practice to go by. Reason: antibiotics has destructive tendency toward living cells. So these birds have covered, let's say, minimum of 500 kilometers to get to this place, or let's say 250 kilometers to get to this place. When you are on transit, you get stress and fact out. That's the same stress that this bird have undergone. So you need to give them multivitamin and glucose. So, and I will always advocate that when we say glucose, it's not always advisable to go to human pharmacy and get humanly prepared glucose for your birds. They have their own animal preparation, which also come with an analgesic, specially formulated to suit into animals, which is glucomone. You need anti-stress and you also need multivitamin. Anti-stress is glucose, simple. So, and I said it's not advisable to administer human glucose for animal, more especially to animals that are overstressed. The reason is, it is not because human glucose is not good, but you will have problem on how to give the appropriate dosage. And once you oversupply glucose to this animal, what will happen is the body will recognize that glucose as a threat. We have in humans, we have cases of diabetes, which is too much supply of blood sugar. When you administer human glucose to this animal, especially when they are overstressed, the body will now see that glucose as a threat, because that dosage is not well calculated. So instead of the body to utilize the glucose, the body will now convert it in a form that will not be available immediately, and that bird will still continue to show that symptom of stress. That is why it is advisable to go by the animal preparation. And animal preparation, we have glucomon, we have glucosevit. In a situation whereby these are not available, you can go with multivitamins that contains glucose in them. For example, Vitacent has glucose in it. Vitrano has glucose in it. Albiovit has glucose in it. So this will be your sole responsibility today. In each water that you are giving, ensure that there is glucose and there is multivitamin. When the water finished, you add again, putting the same drugs all through today. Yes.
Follow us now on all our social media platforms for more educative contents like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.